According to Brain Health Atlas, brain conditions caused more health loss globally in 2021 than cancer or heart disease, leading to 522 million years of life lost or lived with disability. That's over 18% of all global health loss. And it's rising fast as the population grows and ages. While some brain conditions are medical, many are fueled by our daily habits, from how we sleep, eat, and scroll. There are small things we do every day that slowly chip away at our brain's performance, clarity, and health. Let's break down 5 of the most damaging habits and what you can do to stop the decline before it's too late. Number 1, sleep deprivation. If you're getting less than 6 hours of sleep, your brain is struggling. Your memory gets foggy, your emotional regulation drops, and over time, it raises your risk of Alzheimer's. Number 2, doomscrolling. Endless scrolling isn't harmless. It overloads your dopamine system, shortens your attention span, and increases anxiety. Your brain's reward system starts needing more and more stimulus, leaving you drained and distracted. Number 3, chronic stress. Stress releases cortisol. Too much of it damages the hippocampus, the memory center of your brain. If you're always in fight or flight mode, your brain never gets a chance to reset. Habit 4, multitasking. Multitasking feels productive, but your brain is just switching rapidly. This constant switching drains mental energy and reduces gray matter over time. Number 5, poor diet, especially sugar. What you eat literally builds your brain. Excess sugar causes inflammation and brain fog. Processed foods can impair your memory, focus, and even increase depression risks. But here's the truth. Your brain can heal. It's adaptable, resilient, and constantly rewiring. So, start from small steps. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. If you're spending hours on screens, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It gives your eyes and brain the break they need. Practice mindfulness or journaling to manage stress. Eat whole foods, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Focus on one task at a time. Deep work is brain magic. Your brain drives how you think, feel, and show up every day. Take care of it, and it will help you focus better, handle stress, and live with more clarity. Your brain has carried you this far. Now, it's your turn to protect it. Start small. Replace one damaging habit today and watch your clarity grow. Subscribe to Zestoic Minds for life lessons, mental strength, and the clarity you need to grow through what you go through.